Hello and welcome to the channel. The opposition parties are not only uniting in their push to push President Tinubu out the way as president in courts, it would seem they are uniting in the National Assembly as well to ensure Tinubu doesn't get his way. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. It was discordant tune from the opposition parties to the endorsement of APC's preferred candidates. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) yesterday said it was keeping the specifics about its plans for the leadership of the two chambers of the National Assembly a secret for strategic reasons. It stated that it has concluded work with other opposition parties to vote for common candidates in both chambers when the election of presiding officers is conducted on Tuesday, vowing to maximize the majority status of all opposition parties. National Publicity Secretary of the party, Debo Ologunagba, said, with regard to the current race for presiding officers of the National Assembly, it is instructive to note that the opposition parties put together form a strong majority in the National Assembly, and we are very mindful of that. PDP leadership is working together with our members-elect and opposition parties in the two chambers. Irrespective of the ongoing and claims in the media, I want to inform you that PDP has a clear direction which we hold close to our chest. Our members are united in that direction, and it will show on the floor of both houses of the National Assembly on Tuesday. The PDP spokesman equally explained that the party remains focused on its ongoing quest to reclaim its stolen presidential mandate. He said, "We are not taking our eyes off the fact that the process of the 2023 presidential election is still ongoing at the Presidential Election Petition Court and other election petition tribunals across the country." Similarly, Governor Alex Otti of Abia State, the only Labour Party LP governor, yesterday met behind closed doors with senators and House of Representatives-elect to deliberate on the choice of the National Assembly leadership. The parley held in Abuja came barely 3 hours after President Tinubu held a meeting with members of the opposition political parties to canvass support for his preferred candidates. LP National Chairman Julius Abure, who spoke at the start of the meeting, acknowledged that there had been a series of consultations on the issue relating to the choice of the NAS leadership, adding that the party plans to vote en bloc on Tuesday. Abure disclosed that the lawmakers-elect would decide on their preferred choice for the leadership of the National Assembly either today or tomorrow. He expressed gratitude to the governor over the consultative meeting, adding that it behooves them to live up to the expectations of the electorate. Victor Ogene, LP leader in the House, said the party had yet to decide on a particular aspirant, but once that decision is made, it will be a block vote. The LP has yet to decide on a particular candidate, but I can assure you that we are going to vote en bloc. The consultation is on. I do not know those we will vote for yet, but I know those we will not vote for, he said. Ogene said that at the end of the day, one candidate will emerge, and it was going to be from the ruling APC. I just want to tell you that we will not be railroaded into choosing anybody. It will be a conscious decision. While we would be opposed to any undue interference or influence in choosing our leaders, we will go for a speaker that will be accountable to all members of the 10th Assembly, he declared. The contest for NAS leadership experienced a twist yesterday as Christian leaders rose from a meeting in Abuja and advised senators-elect to consider what promotes the social-economic development of Nigeria before voting on Tuesday. They also cautioned against exhibition of regional and religious sentiments during voting. The Christian leaders who met under the umbrella of the Christian Organization of Nigeria, CON, said having considered factors of competence, patriotism, character, and humility in service, the former governor of Zamfara State, Senator Abdulaziz Yari, is the best person for the position of the Senate President. They commended the decision of many senators-elect to reject the APC endorsement and vote according to their conscience. led by Bishop Prophet Blessing Fashola of the Celestial Church, the Christian leaders said, "We are calling on the senators-elect to discountenance enemies of democracy, trying to use politics of divide and rule to discourage PDP senators-elect from voting Yari. The hallowed chamber of the Senate is where Nigeria must speak as one united and indivisible entity. Hence, every religious, ethnic, and racial divisions must be highly discouraged. After a critical assessment of all the contestants, irrespective of their religious divide, we have chosen to endorse Yari because he is the most capable." Concerned political leaders made up of persons across political parties, groups, and associations in Abuja have given reasons why a Northerner should emerge president of the 10th Senate. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and please turn the notification bell on. Thank you. The group also advised all those in the race for the position of Senate President from the southern part of the country to step down for a northern aspirant. The body narrowed down their candidate to Yari, whom they said is the most competent. Addressing a press conference at the Nikon Luxury Hotel, Abuja, two-times presidential candidate of the Green Party, Chief Charles Eke, said the North cannot be dispensed with in the political equation of Nigeria, having secured about 80% of the above 8 million votes scored by President Tinubu to win the election. It is not rocket science to understand that Nigeria is seriously divided. The magnitude of mistrust and fear has reached its crescendo. The 2023 election has gone, the fallout has been very troubling, and there remains the question of national acceptance, with over 15 million Nigerians voting against our president, while our president was able to garner 8 million plus votes, with over 80% coming from the northern states. Ahead of the inauguration, a pro-democracy group, the Natives, has warned against the emergence of any of the aspirants of the Muslim faith as the Senate President. Supreme Leader of the Natives, Olalekan Edwards, called on Muslim aspirants jostling for the Senate presidency seat to be wary of the dangers posed by the dominance of adherents to the Islamic religion in the leadership positions of the country. That's the news, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.